Hi, my name is Ben Zhou. Today I'm going to show you how to make a car roof bicycle carrier. Yeah, recently we decided to take a bicycle tour, a family tour along the Gap Trail. So to carry two of the 5 bicycles, we need a roof carrier. So I purchased this one from eBay for $40. And when I receive it, I realized I noticed it doesn't fit. This is only one inch, 1 by 1.25 inch hole, but this one is 2.5 inch wide. It doesn't fit. But notice that the principle is very simple. What you need is only a holding rod, holding tube, and a very strong and a long bolt. So I went to Home Depot and purchased for $1.20 a threaded rod, 2.5 inch diameter. I need about 4.5 inch long, so I cut it off. And I happen to have a lathe at home, so I use the lathe to cut through a hole of 5/16 of an inch. I also purchased a 1/4 inch, 6 inch long, 1/4 inch diameter long bolt, and added some extras from my pile of scraps. You see, this goes through. This is virtually the body of the holding mechanism to mount the roof. And actually, you don't need a lathe to do this. You can easily purchase a steel tube from Home Depot or Sears, cheap, for $1 or so. Actually, that exactly was my initial design. So I got a tube with a 5/16 of an inch inside diameter, a steel one. You have to use steel one. You cannot use the copper pipes for plumbing. It has to be strong. So as the carrier base, I took a leftover 2x4 and shaped it streamlined like a fish to reduce the drag. And here's the slot to fit the lateral carrier. See, that fits perfect. And in the middle, I drill a 1/2 inch hole. So now I mounted the threaded rod into the body and added, put on the knot, the bolt on both knot on both sides, tighten it, and put on the long bolt, and a standard ear-shaped knot. That's pretty much it. So this is the body where the front fork on bicycle will be mounted. Okay, now here's my bicycle. Here's my bicycle. And easily put it on. Yeah, put it on and put it on. Tighten it. Tighten it. See, it's very strong, very solid, very solid. You can hold it on the car roof without any problem. Yes, that's pretty much it is, and we're ready to go. All right, all this of course at a cost of less than $3 altogether. Thank you for watching, and have great fun making. Thank you.